Hey guys, it's Brian again with Dead on Tools. Today I wanted to highlight one of the best portable job site companions, our 18-inch open rolling tool tote. Quality and durability go together with 1680 denier, ripstop material, and top grain saddle leather accents. This tote has heavy-duty, rugged wheels and can roll over the toughest of terrains. No matter how heavy the load, getting around is easy with the telescoping metal handle. The large open compartment is ideal for storing big items like power tools. It's easy to quickly look in and grab what you need for the job. There are countless interior and exterior pockets that allow for the storage of many small parts such as caps, bits, and screws. There are multiple loops that let you clip on keys, tape rolls, carabiners, and more. The 18-inch rolling open tool tote allows for many storage options to keep your tools secure. It's perfect for any DIY or professional project. Check it out today online and we'll see you guys soon.